say bananas, you say peppers, and I'm coming to you live in my pajamas. Although this just looks like a boxy t-shirt from here, which it is a boxy t-shirt, but allow me to show you. I really do not know to this day if this is like a super special, only local to my little local mall, this store, or was it a thing that was kind of like all over the world. It was this place called Earth Alert. And look at this. Let me see. Can I show you back of the shirt without showing you my butt? Earth Alert! It's got a frog on it. Aww. They had like the coolest, like hippie kind of nature shirts, live reporting from just waking up. I think something bit me in the night. Okay, maybe it doesn't look, you can see it. I brought this pickle band-aid. I guess I'm gonna put a band-aid on it. What bit me? I don't know. All right, you guys, today we are back and I'm doing 2 mini brands videos in a row. Put a pickle on it. That's actually really not comfortable at all. Anyway, I warned you guys the other day that another mini brands video was coming because I had already ordered mini brands sneakers. Real quick before we unbox these sneakers, since I only have 2 of them today, I wanted to go through some of the comments that y'all left me last time. Well, not go through them, but just like through them in my mental catalog. First of all, a huge thank you to everybody who told me that the mini brands fashion, these little like nail decal stickers, I'm glad some of y'all told me that you can actually put them on a doll. That makes them a lot cooler in my mind than just being like these little stickers. They are pretty tricky to use. They're just like not easy to apply, but it does still make them a little bit cooler in my mind. And I was glad to see that I was like not alone, that a lot of y'all did not like how Mini Brands Fashion 3 really does seem to be so doll based. And I'm scared we are maybe gonna be a little bit disappointed with the sneaker ones because I had already ordered them before I filmed the video the other day, but y'all said that this sneakers collection is a lot like that as well. So we shall see. And then the last thing that I saw a lot of y'all saying was that the mini verse, which it's so funny because I feel like they are like 2 different brands, but a lot of y'all were saying that the mini verse, like they're not giving you enough like goo to do the crafts. Cause we were talking about like how rapidly it seems like Mini Brands is coming out with new collections and Mini Verse is also coming out with new collections. They're 2 different brands, but it seems like they're doing the same thing, which would be amazing in my mind if I kind of felt like they were keeping up with the quality. But a lot of y'all were saying that your Miniverse lately, like you haven't had enough goo to do the whole craft. And I literally filmed one of these the other day. I haven't edited it yet because, you know, Christmas and all of that, but I filmed the holiday one up close for my daily Snapchat story. And y'all, you're supposed to be able to make 2 tiny miniature hot chocolates. Absolutely no way. Like I barely had enough goo to finish 1 cup of hot chocolate, much less 2. So I don't know, you guys. I don't know what's going on. I mentioned the other day that Mini Brands is coming out with Master Chef, which is so funny because I said I wonder if they're gonna like put raw ingredients in there, which was a goofy thing, I guess, for me to say. But obviously I meant like I wonder if Mini Brands is gonna try and like directly compete with Miniverse and give you like the raw ingredients. Like, are you gonna assemble like a dish just like Miniverse, or is it just gonna be like miniature foods? I don't know. I have not been able to see like any more pictures of that, but I am gonna order those and we'll see. We'll see how I feel about it. But I'm really hoping like the next series of like real mini brands, like real food mini brands, like I hope that they're gonna be as amazing as they always were. I just feel like these couple series have been less realistic. Anyway, you guys, let's have a sippy because I keep choking on what air, I guess. Sippy. And let's open them up. So these do say 5 minis inside. They list 3. Ooh, wait, what's Airwalk? Why did I think that that was Nike? It's not. Reebok, Skechers, Prince, Airwalk. So these are supposed to be real miniature tennis shoes. 5 surprises in each ball, which is good to see because I feel like we have seen them drop the 5 surprise branding off a lot of their stuff. They really are just called mini brands now, not 5 surprise mini brands. So yeah, let me take a picture and I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the external wrapper. But this is what the balls look like. Mini brand sneakers. What did it say? 50 or 60 oh, 30. Maybe it's not bad that I only got 2. So we have a blue wrapper and then this external wrapper, and I'm gonna unwrap them so that we can just pop them like a Pringles can. Sneaker time. Is this sneaker time? It kind of didn't explode. Okay, so packaging very similar to fashion minis. I guess they're all like this now. So we got 2 Airwalk stickers, and I wonder if this is like a clue that we're gonna get Airwalk sneakers in this one. So this feels like a shoebox. So let's open it up and see what the accessories are first. Maybe we're gonna get some socks. No, it's a hat. Oh, is that what they mean by 5? Do these count as 2 of the items? So yeah, once I opened the Fashion Series 3, a lot of y'all said I would probably be disappointed by these as well. I wish the hats could be like tiny little fabric hats. I'm pretty sure even Barbie clothes do make some fabric hats, or are they all just plastic? So it is an Airwalk hat, which that kind of tells me, like, if you get Airwalk stickers, you're probably getting like an Airwalk ball. So the baseball cap does fit on the clown, so at least like he can wear it. And then I'm wondering if the tennis shoes will fit on the clown as well. Yeah, Airwalk. What do you guys think when they do stuff like that? See, I would rather it just be a total mystery versus like getting stickers right off the bat that aren't wrapped, that basically tell you which ball you got. So far, my favorite thing has been the miniature shoebox, because this is like really high quality and it does look really realistic to, you know, a normal shoebox. And I'm trying to think back to the Rainbow High fashion. I don't even know if the shoe boxes, I guess they were pretty realistic. They came with like receipts and dust bags and everything. I'm like trying to remember, you guys, it's been so long. Well, it's probably been at least like 6 months since I've opened one of those. So I'm trying to remember. Anyway, let's open and see. There is the little tissue paper inside. That is really cool. Okay. Oh, these are like hard plastic. So I guess that is one thing that made the Rainbow High fashion look more realistic, is they actually did have like a little sticker on the side that basically showed you like what the style of the shoe would look like, you know, like on a real shoebox. So these are like hard plastic. I'm not familiar with this design at all, but they have a little green, it almost looks like a green like at symbol on the side. And I'm kind of torn about these because they do look really real, but they are like super hard plastic. Like these 100% feel like Barbie shoes, Ken shoes. Let's see, will the clown feet wear the shoes? No, because she's got arched feet here. So they would like fit. Well, can I make it happen? Oh! Never say never. Oh my gosh. Okay, you just kind of have to like, oh, there we go. Okay, kind of really like how that looks on the clown. Now, the feet are always like pointed. I think a lot of y'all were saying that the clown doll that I Frankensteined here together was an Ever After High doll. I'm not familiar with those dolls at all. I know Monster High and like Rainbow High, but anything other than that, I don't know. So So yeah, I mean, they are really cool. Oh, don't do that. Y'all, if you've got doll feet, wait, were they always like that? No, because the other one is not. I think I just broke the shoe. Look at that. I kind of like shoved the foot in there and look, it started to like come apart kind of at the plastic seam. Let me see if I take it off. Oh, I could kind of like push it back together, but it is a little warped there now. So maybe like be forewarned, maybe don't shove clown feet inside of your shoe. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, these like look pretty cool, you know, maybe just sitting on a shelf as a little replica, but they're not like super realistic. But I was thinking like literally how could they make faux leather miniature shoes? Like I feel like that would be pretty difficult and probably like pretty expensive. I do still think that these are at a $9 price point. So I don't know, like, do you really feel like this is like $9? So I guess the shoe box counts as one, the shoes count as a surprise, the hat is a surprise, and then the 2 stickers. And that's your 5 items. So let me know. I don't know how I feel. At least that one like popped. Okay, let's go ahead and not ruin the surprise for y'all, at least. I'll show you all the stickers at the end. Okay, so this is definitely, it looks like you're gonna get a hat each time. So it looks like a hat and sneakers. So, well look, now y'all are gonna know what brand it is because I guess they all coordinate, which I would love to know from y'all. Do y'all like that or not? Like, do you wish you could get like a Reebok hat with Skechers shoes and Airwalk stickers? So I can go ahead and just show you guys Reebok stickers. Now, let's unbox the shoes. Okay, this is really cute. And, ooh, are these a little bit more detailed? Yeah, look, they at least have like more information on the bottom of the box. I feel like Reebok is like a brand I'm a little bit more familiar with, not a ton, but all right, once again, we have the paper and let's dump them out. Oh my gosh, okay. See, I feel like maybe these are more entertaining for people that are like super into sneakers, because maybe you'd be like, oh, these are the, you know, Slug Stomper 3000s. Yeah, I don't know that much about like tennis shoes. I feel like tennis shoes is like the goofiest way I could have just said that. Sneakers. I like these a little bit better though, because they look a little bit more detailed. Maybe it's just because this style of shoe has more detailing on them. But yeah, I'm not gonna try and like shove the clown feet in these. So let me look at the chart and see how many different options there are. Okay, so the super rare are all the Reebok options, and it's like this gold set. So I'm assuming you would get the whole gold set in one ball. And then here are all of the shoes. Oh my God, Skechers. There were like little Airwalk sandals. I feel like I would have loved that. Yeah, so let me just flash the chart really quick in case y'all are curious. I feel like maybe I would have almost liked getting some of the Skechers better. I definitely would have liked the sandals. I feel like those would make a really cute keychain. So yeah, you guys, once again, I feel like I'm kind of walking away with the same opinion. It's definitely fun to try once. I do love mini brands. I feel like I say that every video because I do feel like guilty for being a little bit like negative, but personally for me, they're not real enough. I don't know, or there's not enough there. It just feels like there's like something missing. Do you know what I mean? And I feel like once again, compared to some of the other like miniature shoes we've seen, I feel like Rainbow High shoes were a little bit more detailed. Like for instance, we saw the flocked bear slipper shoes in that collection. We did also see, I think, some Vetements. Isn't that how you pronounce that brand? Like the sock heel. You saw kind of like mixed elements there where they did have like fabric and also like the plastic heel. So it just seemed a little bit more real, a little bit more detailed. And I also have loved these. I actually have a couple of these we haven't opened yet. The Real Littles. Now, I feel like these were not really trying to replicate any real shoe too out there. But see, you can even see like the side of the box, I feel like is a little bit more detailed. And these are also meant to be keychains. So I feel like right off the bat, there's a little bit more, at least like functionality here. Like I have a couple of pairs of these that I switch out in my Ita bag that I showed you guys that I took to Disney months ago. So these, like, it does just feel like there's a little bit something missing. You would have to have a certain type of doll to be able to even like put them on a doll. They're not keychains. They're not like super realistic. I don't know, but it definitely was fun to try once. I kind of wish instead of just sneakers, they had done like shoes, you know, which once again could have opened up like more designs and stuff versus like just sneakers. But I don't know, you guys. Nobody asked me, you know? So I would love to once again hear all of you guys' thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. Let me know how you feel about them. Let me know if it also just feels like there's something a little bit missing for you, but let me know. And thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below. Subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. Bye!